Alright, babes, don't mind my face because I just did a live on my old routine versus my mascara routine. Today I'm going to be showing you something awesome. So this is our normal compact that you would get when you buy 4 tins. Today I'm going to be showing you how I contour my lips. I know that mascara makeup isn't for everybody and there's different ways of customizing it. So today I'm going to show you how I can contour my lips with using one brush that's dual-ended, contour, a highlight, lip color, lip and cheek, and one of our illuminators. So first things first, I'm going to go in with our multitask brush and I'm going to line the outside of my lips. And basically what we're doing is just creating a shadow. And on top, I like to go a little bit wider for the top part. And then I do my regular lip. Like so. Now, I know it looks a little crazy. Trust me, it's gonna look great. So I come in with my finger. Just blend that all in. Now I'm going to take the smaller end of my multitask brush and I'm going to go in with one of our highlighters called Moonlit. And I'm just going to be applying this on my lip in the areas that I didn't apply the contour. So first you're shadowing and then you're applying light to the place that you want to enhance. So on the bottom, you just come in on the sides and rub it. It's like the ultimate instant lip injection hack. Then I like to go in with that same side and I'm just going to make a line going down the middle of my lip. I'm just going to tap that out. Now I'm going to go in with our lip and cheek. Now we have so many lip and cheeks, it's insane. So you can get a color that you love. Today I'm using Nude because she's one of my favorites. And then I'm going to take our Illuminator Dolce and I'm just going to go into that and I'm just going to, actually, you know what, I'm going to go back into Moonlit. And I'm just going to apply that to the center of my lid and then I'm going to go in with Dolce. And there you have it. Instant lip job. Alright, so if you're interested in something like this, let me know today and I can get you all set up and create you a cart with this lip kit. Customized for you. Alright, I'll see you later, babes.